Deride means to laugh at someone or something in a mean way. It is to mock someone. It is to ridicule someone. It is to make the person or thing seem foolish.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी, और कुछ लोग मनोरंजन भी करवाते हैं। कोई भी नई योजना लाए, नई तरीके से लाए, तो कुछ लोगों को उम्र तो बढ़ती है लेकिन समझ नहीं बढ़ती है, तो समझने में बड़ी देर लगती है।
To deride is to dismiss or belittle someone through laughter or scorn. Let's have some examples here. The critics derided the new TV series as a complete waste of time. She derided the plan, calling it foolish and unworkable. In the meeting, his idea was derided by all, leaving him embarrassed. Deride is a verb. Derision is the noun. His speech was met with derision by the audience. His attempted reform was greeted with scorn and derision. And then we have the adjective form, derisive. Her derisive laughter made him feel incompetent. The article was full of derisive comments about the celebrity. Her response was quick and derisive, shutting down further debate.
Vocabulary flex, Mr. Rishav in the mix. Wordsmith wizard got the class getting fixed. Dropping gems daily, filling notebooks thick. Classroom lit, knowledge sticking like bricks. Mr. Rishav.